Beautiful rolling hills with scenic views of the Bay Area. Top 10 Easy Scenic Walks in Milpitas, California. Plus insider tips and local gems. Are Levin County Park Trail. Beautiful rolling hills with scenic views of the Bay Area. Open daily from 8 a.m. to sunset. Free parking and no entrance fee. Insider tip: bring water and a picnic to enjoy at the shaded picnic areas. Nearby eatery, Taste of Thai. Affordable and delicious Thai food, open 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Milpitas Community Park Loop, paved paths great for families and casual strolls. Open from dawn to dusk, no cost to enter. Shuttle service available from Milpitas BART station on weekends. Insider tip: visit the park's playground or rent a bike nearby. Nearby eatery, La Pinata, authentic Mexican cuisine, open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Berryessa Creek Trail. Quiet creekside path with birdwatching opportunities. Open all day, access free. Insider tip: early morning is best for cooler temperatures and wildlife spotting. Nearby eatery, Pho Vina, excellent Vietnamese pho, open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Alviso Marina County Park. Stroll along the waterfront with views of salt ponds and wildlife. Open daily 8 a.m., sunset, free parking. Of insider tip: bring binoculars for birdwatching, especially during migratory. Nearby eatery, Taqueria La Estrella, budget-friendly Mexican spot, open 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Great mall walking loop. Indoor option for rainy days with a flat. Safe walking route around the mall perimeter. Open mall hours, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., Monday through Saturday, 11 a.m. Insider tip: check for free parking validation with purchases over $20. Nearby eateries inside mall, Panda Express, Chip Calaveras Hills Park Trail. Gentle hills with panoramic views of Silicon Valley. Open sunrise to sunset, no fee. Insider tip: visit on weekends for guided nature walks hosted by local groups. Nearby eatery, Dinah's Poolside Restaurant. Casual American dining, open 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Washington Park Pathway. Paved loop with shaded benches and playgrounds nearby. Open dawn to dusk, free entry. Insider tip: great spot for a morning jog or late afternoon stroll. Nearby eatery, Jack's Urban Eats, affordable burgers and salads, open 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Penitencia Creek Trail. Scenic creekside path with gentle slopes perfect for all ages. Open daily, dawn to dusk, free access. Insider tip: pack snacks and enjoy the picnic tables near the trailhead. Nearby eatery, Taqueria La Michoacana, tasty Mexican fare, open 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Alum Rock Park, nearby, a bit outside Milpitas but worth the short drive. For easy nature trails and waterfalls. Open 8 a.m., sunset, $6 parking fee on weekends/holiday. Insider tip: use free shuttle from San Jose Diridon Station on weekends during peak season. Nearby eatery, Veggie Grill in San Jose, healthy. Affordable vegan options, open 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Milpitas Sports Center Loop. Walking paths around sports fields and community facilities. Open dawn to dusk, no cost for walking paths. Insider tip: check the schedule for free community events like yoga or fun runs. Nearby eatery, The Halal Guys, popular Middle Eastern street food, open 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Free resources and tips to enhance your walks in Milpitas. Milpitas Shuttle, free rides available on weekends, connecting major parks and shopping areas. Check Milpitas.gov for current routes and schedules. Coupons, look out for seasonal coupons at local eateries via their websites or social media pages. Taste of Thai or La Pinata. Water refill stations, most community parks have free water fountains. Carry a reusable bottle to stay hydrated. Parking, free parking is available at most parks but can fill up on weekends. Arrive early for best spots. Disclaimer: hours, rules, fees, and services may change without notice as businesses and parks update their policies frequently. Always check official websites or call ahead before visiting. About us: we built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which allows us to pursue our dreams freely. What is your dream? We'd love to help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/web. Thanks, and God bless you.